As the winter is coming, the temperature is getting lower, that way facilitating the contagion of flu accompanied by cough. These conditions can produce great discomfort and irritation, especially if you're suffering from a dry cough. Usually, we take pills to get rid of the cough, but it's commonly known that taking pills is damaging our liver little by little. Given the above-mentioned facts, we would like to show you a completely natural way of fighting the flu, the cough, and many others. This remedy will fortify your immune system and help you prevent many health problems. Among them, we can single out the common cold, flu, cough, and many others. The ingredients you'll need to prepare this fabulous remedy can easily be found in the supermarket, therefore the remedy will be ready in no time. Here are the ingredients and the preparation instructions. You'll need 1. Onion. 2. 1. Lemon. 3. 2 tablespoons of pure honey. 4. 2 cups of filtered water. Preparation and usage. First, we let the water boil. When it does, we cut the onion into small pieces of approximately 15 millimeters and we add them to the boiling water. We let the water simmer for the next 15 minutes and then we turn off the fire. After that, we let it rest for 10 minutes until it cools down. Then we filter the liquid and we add honey, and in the end, the lemon juice. We need to take this powerful substance at least thrice a day. This will help us strengthen our immune system. In addition, it will fight the common cold symptoms, alleviate the cough, and eliminate the flu. Benefits of each ingredient. Lemons are per se rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps improve the body's defense mechanisms and reduces the phlegm. As a result, it fights heavily the common cold and the flu. Honey has many antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It also fights the skin irritation and itchy, sore throat. As for the onion, it acts as a natural anti-inflammatory remedy, an antibiotic, and an expectorant. On the other hand, it increases our defense system by fortifying the immune system. Don't let this winter leave you lying in bed for catching a cold. Start using this remedy as a preventive measure to avoid contagion. Of course, if you already have flu, drink this remedy for a quick recovery. We kindly ask you to share this video on your social media networks so that everyone can know how to act at this time of the season.